Hello everyone, welcome back in Cool IT Help. Guys, in this video tutorial we will learn how to use table row expander column. Right now you can see on my screen there is a demonstration of table row expander column. So you will get a toggle button. There you can add some fields to edit the table row information. So we can use this expander for this purpose. Okay guys, and this feature is very useful. So guys, first go to the description and get the download link of the base project that I am going to use here to integrate this table row expander column in the table view. Okay, so right here I am using the same project, TableView Example. Once you import, you will see all these stuff here. So I'm going to run this first and explain you step by step everything. So this is the table view that you will see first on your screen. We have these 4 columns and some data inside it. This is for the demonstration. So I will describe you the exact thing what we have done to integrate the expander column. Okay, so you will get these files inside: fxml document, the controller file, and this data model file, the person. So we are using this person class for the data model, and this is the file which has a start method, and there's another file that we will create to demonstrate the use of table row expander column. Okay, so this example is available to download from the description box. You can get that link from there, and this is the arrangement we have done here in the fxml. So this is the regular example that I have used in my previous videos. So guys, if you are continuously watching my video tutorials, so you will be aware of that. If you are not aware, so just watch that videos and you will get the good idea. Okay, this is just for the reference. So we will start from here inside the controller file. So exactly go down inside the initialize method, and here we have to use one class object. So we're going to create the class object here. So I have created the code ready separately here in the notepad. So I'm going to just copy this line and just paste it here. You can see we are going to create the object of table row expander column, and the type is person. So to use this class we have to import ControlsFX jar in our project. So guys, you can get the download link of ControlsFX in the description as well. So just download this jar and add in your project, then you can use this class dependency. Okay, so here we are calling the create editor method from the parameter. Okay, and the method is ready here. So I'm just copying here and I will explain you the use of this method. Okay, come down here in the code, in the last just paste, and you can see this is a create editor, and there's a one parameter which is very useful parameter that we have to pass: table row expander column dot table row data features, and the type is person, and we are passing the parameter param. Okay, so the param type is this. So this is the very essential thing that we have to pass here. Okay, after that we are going to simply create 2 fields. So we are using grid pen, and here that param will be initialized by the compiler. Okay, so that will get the instance from the compiler. It's just like a dependency injection. Okay, once it will initialize, you can fetch the corresponding row object. So you will get the person object. Okay, and there's a text field. We are using the text field name field, and the email field. So you can see that we are fetching the existing row, okay, and then we are fetching the corresponding value. So we fetched the first name, we fetched the email. After that we are creating a simple label to display the information name, like a name and email. After that we have created a simple save button to save the information that we want to edit. Okay, so we will put some new value and we will press the save button, so the same information will be updated. And we have associated one action handler here, set on action. So we are managing the button click event here. So the new information will be set in the person object. Okay, so that means the row values will be changed at the same time when you press the save button. Okay, and the param.toggle expanded, so this will close that toggle and the information will be updated. So this demonstration I will show you, don't worry about that. And there's a one cancel button that we have added here. So the cancel button is doing the same. Once you press the cancel, that means you don't want to do anything, and the toggle button will be pressed, and that expanded view will be closed. Okay, after that we have added these save button and cancel button on the grid pan, and we have just returned that grid pan because this is the small arrangement that will appear when you click on the plus expander column. Okay, so the create editor is providing the arrangement to display that extended, and this is the very important thing that we have to call like this double colon the method calling. Okay, the second thing, we have to come down here, we have to add this column in the table view. Okay, so table view dot get columns dot add all, and in the very first argument you have to pass like this expander column. Okay, and I leave the rest of the thing as it is, no change. Okay, I hope this create editor method is clear to you. You can note there that thing, this parameter is very important, table row expander column dot table row data features, that will be initialized by the compiler, and we will fetch the row information object here with the help of this param. Okay, so the purpose is getting the row information, and we're going to update this thing on the fly. Okay, so this is the arrangement we have made here, and now I will take a clean build of this project, and we will run and we will see the results here. Okay, here we go. Build is successful. Now I'm going to run this. Okay guys, here is our stage, and now you can see there's a circular button is appeared as a first column. Once you click, this is the table row expander column that is added here. Okay, now we will see the working of this. Just click on it and you will see this arrangement. So the information, the first name of the person is appearing in this text field. So I will change it. I will change the name, as well as I will change the name in the email text field, and I will just click on the save. Now you guys notice this thing, the information is updated right here on the table row. This is awesome. This is very cool feature here. Now I'm doing the same thing for the second row. Okay, so I have added 3 in the text field and I just clicked on. Now guys, you can notice the information is updated on the slide school. Now again, I'm here at this row Michael, and I have just added Michael 45. Also I'm going to edit email michael45.brown@gmail.com. You can notice that the information is updated and this will be preserved. Okay, so this information is updated on that person object, the corresponding person object which is representing that row. Okay, and once you click on the cancel, so the toggle will be closed. So this is the arrangement we have done here to add table row expander column without the fxml. There is another way to add this table row expander column in your table view with the help of fxml as well. Right now we have done this arrangement inside the controller by writing some code. We have made a grid pan, and on the grid pan we have added the 2 fields, label, button, and all those stuff. After that we have handled the click action of save and cancel. So we can do these stuff with the help of fxml. We can create a small fxml and we can add the inside the table row expander to display these setup. Okay, so I will explain this thing in my next video tutorial. So guys, please watch that if you want to implement this with the help of fxml. I hope this video is useful for you. So please like this video and share with your friends so they can take the advantage of this video tutorial. And guys, please like this video, and if you want the latest video from my channel, so please subscribe and press the bell icon. Okay guys, for now, thanks for watching Cool IT Help.